several ways to bring down a tree. Sometimes you're lucky just to cut it, fell it, and you're done. Unfortunately, that's really rare. So there's other ways. There's the climbing of the tree, there's a bucket truck, spider lift, tree mech. And obviously, as you get to the tree mech, there's a lot less risk and a lot safer operation.
The neighbor next door, she had a giant oak tree, so she had a dying tree. We took care of her. The neighbor saw the work that we did. He was impressed and he called us right away because he had the same problem. We as arborists, we can identify trees when they start to die. And that was an easy one because he had a lot of branches breaking and falling onto their vehicles, which incurred a lot of damage.
So now that I've opened up some space, I can get the spider lift back in here to come up here and help me do some cutting and take larger pieces to make this job go a little bit more efficiently.
Not a lot of people or companies have tree mechs like this. That machine does wonders on eliminating risky jobs. We stay away from climbing trees as much as possible because we have the machine. To protect our guys, to protect the community, the houses that we do work on. And it's like dismantling a broccoli. Take pieces one at a time, and it's beautiful. We actually do a lot of subcontracting as well to help out those companies who don't have one of those.
We're ahead of schedule right now, and now we're going to change up the operation a little bit, and we've taken off the grapple saws, and now we're going to move over to straps. And what we're going to do is hook those straps to the desired piece of wood, and then we'll get a little tension on that, and then Robert will be in the spider lift, and he'll make that final cut, and we'll lift that wood up, sit it on the driveway, and that'll be it. We're going to only do 2 picks, and then we'll have it safe enough to where the crew can drop that final piece of wood, and this tree will be done for the day.